In this video, we will learn how to find prime factors of a number by vertical method, that is division method. Vertical method or division method. Observe the following steps. Step number 1. First, we divide the number by the smallest prime number, which divides the number completely. Step number 2. Divide the quotient again by the smallest prime number. If the division is incomplete, then choose next smallest prime number. Repeat the procedure again and again till the quotient becomes 1. Remember, use only prime numbers to divide. Let's start with example. Factorize 24 in 2 primes. Before starting with vertical method, write prime numbers from 1 to 20 for reference, and they are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Purpose of writing these prime numbers is to have correct prime numbers to divide instead of recalling it, and we avoid taking composite number for division. Let's prepare for vertical method by drawing vertical line and horizontal lines. Now write given number on the right hand side of a vertical line. Here we can see 24 is divisible by the prime numbers which we have written here, and they are 2 and 3. As I told you previously, always choose a smallest prime number. So we'll write 2 to divide. So write 2 in front of 24. Divide 24 by 2. Quotient is 12. Write it below 24. Again we have 2 prime numbers to divide, and instead of these 2 we will choose smallest one, that is 2. Write 2 in front of 12. Divide 12 by 2 and quotient is 6. Write it below 12. Again choose the smallest prime number to divide. So we will write 2 in front of 6. Quotient is 3. Write it below 6. We can see 3 as a prime number already written. So we will choose 3 to divide. And quotient is 1. As we get quotient 1, our division ends over here. And now the numbers which we have written on the left hand side are nothing but the prime factors of 24. And we will write factors in the form of product, that is 24 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Let's take one more example. Factorize 117 into primes. Again we will prepare for prime numbers 1 to 20. Draw lines for division. Write 117 on the right hand side of the vertical line. Now we can see, as 117 is being an odd number, is not divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 3. We will write 3 in front of 17. Divide 117 by 3. Division is complete division and quotient is 39. Write it below 117. Again 39 is being an odd number, so we will not divide by 2. We will choose 3 to divide. So we'll write 3 in front of 39. Division is a complete division and quotient is 13. Write it below 39. We can see 13 is a prime number given in the list. So we will choose 13 directly. Divide 13 by 13. Quotient is 1. As we get 1, our division ends over here. And the numbers which we have written on the left hand side are nothing but the prime factors of 117. We will write in the form of products. So prime factors of 117 are 3 into 3 into 13. Thank you.